This custom Camaro was a club exclusive for Red Line Club members in 2019. And this is an absolutely beautiful car. I don't think there's any way I would improve upon it by customizing it. So I've decided I'm going to give it away. Basically, to enter this, you just need to make a comment on this video. Comments will be taken through July 24th, this Sunday. And on Monday the 25th, I'll choose a winner at random from the comments. I'll use the random comment picker. It's limited to US mailing addresses only, meaning that if you're outside of the country and still want to enter this, that's okay as long as you have someone in the US I can send it to. I need to do that because of the ridiculous shipping charges when we send things outside of the US. So good luck, everybody. This really is a beautiful car. So I can't wait to see who wins it. It does come with the button as well. And the protective case. Exactly as you see it right there. That's how it's going to be shipped. So I hope you like this. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Good luck, everybody. And yeah, I didn't mention this in the thumbnail, did I? Guess it pays to watch these videos, huh? Catch y'all in the next one. See ya.